thank you so much for stopping by. I cannot wait for you to take a look at this home. This kitchen was designed to be used. You have tons of countertop space. And by the way, aren't these gorgeous counters? And you've got these two-tone cabinets, and this island is massive. You've got space for bar stools here and plenty of space for all your food so that you can entertain in style. There's truth in the silence that we can't deny. Oh, hey, you're still here. Well, in that case, let me tell you a little bit more about this house. So the builder took this property all the way down to the slab, completely reimagined it, and built it up. Coming in at a little over 2,200 square feet, this 4-bedroom and 3 full bathroom home offers so much. Also a study. And with that study, if you wanted to turn it into a 5th bedroom, you totally could. Look at that, you're still here. Well, in that case, let me tell you that while this home is in Garland, it's zoned for Richardson ISD schools. And I want to show you one more thing. This builder took care of all the details. I mean, look at this laundry room. Who knew laundry could be this much fun? Check out the rest of this incredible home at 3322collins.com.